Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the Redragon software and confirming the keyboard is detected. This step ensures communication. Once installed, plug into a stable USB port and run the app as administrator so drivers load correctly. The software shows model and firmware. If a firmware update appears, accept it now because firmware aligns features with the app. Make sure a default profile is created, since profiles hold lighting, macros, and key remaps for immediate editing. You now configure lighting and macros to match your workflow in games. Start by selecting a profile, then go to lighting and choose a preset or custom pattern. You can edit per key colors for precise feedback. Once done, save brightness and effect speed so colors remain consistent. Next, open the macro editor, record keystrokes, add delays where needed, and name the macro. Assign that macro to a physical key or a secondary layer so it triggers exactly when you want. You finish by remapping keys, saving profiles, and securing settings. Open Keymap to change key functions or create layers. Use FN Lock if you want permanent layer access. Once configured, save to the keyboard's internal memory if available, and also export a backup file to your PC so you can restore quickly. If the keyboard becomes unresponsive, reconnect and try a different USB port, reinstall the driver, and reflash firmware. These steps fix most detection or feature issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.